Hi, Steve Hughes of Hands-On Physics Education. I'm on Moreton Island, one of the largest sand islands in the world, and so I thought this would be a great place to discuss a number of stars in the observable universe. So there's the Tangalooma Resort, and panning around on the other side of the bay is Brisbane, then the mainland, the coastal range. Looks like there's a fire in the centre there, and further over we've got the Glass House Mountains. This island is the third largest sand island in the world, the largest being Fraser Island north of here, and the second one North Stradbroke Island, which is south of here. In fact, 2% of this island is made from rock from the Glass House Mountains. The other 98% sand, which has come from New South Wales and been dumped here and formed an island. So here is a big sand hill on Moreton Island at a height of about 90 metres, which you can see behind me. And it's interesting to think there are more stars in the observable universe than grains of sand on all of the beaches of the Earth. So on all the beaches on Moreton Island, Fraser Island, all the other big sand islands, and all the beaches, more stars than grains of sand, probably about 100 times greater. And the observable universe, that's what can be seen with telescopes. So there's an uncountable number of stars and galaxies beyond that. So it gives us some idea of the sheer number of stars in the universe.